Acha ji, so this is going to be the solution to your exercise 12. Now it says the data to be used is supplied in the following file: booklist.csv, bookorders.csv, students.csv. You don't actually need these CSV files. The labels.rtf, books, grant.rtf, and invoice.rtf templates will also be needed. Again, you don't require these. The first task is that you have to do mail merge, and you have to create mail merge labels, mail merge letters, right? So it says labels are to be printed for the book order boxes for each of the students in options IDTS OPT1 and IDEC OPT4 who have already paid. The label should include student ID, forename, surname, and option module. Use the labels.rtf as your main document. So master document is given. We'll just open it. The labels are already created in this. We don't have to create our custom design or dimension. Ensure your center number, candidate number are in the footer of the document, and then you have to print the labels. Save the document as print labels in a format that preserves the field codes. Include evidence of your selection method in your evidence document. So first of all, we're going to add our credentials in the footer. So going to insert, footer, blank 3 columns. They have not specified the alignment, so I will just add my name on the left. I will add the center number in the center and the candidate number on the right. Okay. Now, master document is given. We need the source file. Source file is basically given in the as a student's file, which is this one. As you can see, we have the student IDs, title, surname, forename, address, gender, date of birth, option module, paid. So the ones which are not mentioned, they have not paid. The ones which are mentioned, they are paid. Done. So this is going to act as our source file. So we go to mailings, click on edit, select recipient list, use an existing list, and we locate a file, which is students. Itna ho gaya. Now the label needs to have student ID, forename, surname, option module. So we will add insert, merge field, student ID. In the next line, we are going to add forename and surname, forename space surname, and in the next line, we're going to add the option module. That was the last thing which is required on the labels. Done. Now this label is to be given to whom? It is to be sent to these people who have opted for these option modules and they have already paid. ठीक, कहां से करोगे? You go to edit recipient list and you click on filter. I'll zoom this in. Field option module equals to the first what? ID ES TS
भाई को प्रैक्टिकल वो एक मास में छोड़ ठीक है
IDTS OPT 1 IDTS OPT 1. This should be the module. And what else? Or yes, ID EC OPT 4, and they should be paid. So paid equals to Y. So I am getting results for non-paid as well. Look at the option module IDTS OPT 1. that is fine. IDEC OPT4, that is also fine. But in the paid, I'm getting only one option which is not paid. And that is what? OPT1. Look at your filter. When you're applying this criteria, it means what? Option module should be equals to this, or option module equals to this, and this and is applied to my previous condition only. So look at OPT4. We getting the OPT4 which are paid. Do we have anyone which is not paid in OPT4? Which is not paid in OPT4? No. So that means that this condition is actually getting applied to only OPT4 and not OPTY or OPT1. Mainly because we have the OR operator here. So either it should be OPT1, which can be either paid or not paid, or OPT4 with paid. So we are to send the letters to OPT1 and OPT4 which are paid. So why condition applies to both? Okay, so we are going to do what? And paid equals to y. By doing so, that means that not only the option module should be IDTS OPT1, but it should also be paid. Or option module equals to, which one is the other one? IDEC. IDEC OPT4, and it should also be paid. And we also noticed yesterday that in Office 2021 and onwards, the filter that you apply over here is case sensitive. So if it is capital in your source file, it should be capital over here as well. Okay. We click on OK, and you can see that the OPT1 which was not paid is also taken out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 letters which are going to be sent. Not 7 letters, these are actually labels. We click on OK. Now this is applied. However, we have only applied the design for the first label. All the other labels are not updated. So what do? In the mailings, we are going to click on update labels. So this is going to apply design to all my labels. Okay. Once I'm done, I'm just going to click on finish, edit, click on all, and OK. So we've got 7 labels. I don't have to remove these because these were already given by the examiner. 7 labels are going to be printed. So these are the merged labels, and the other document is your merged master document. क्या चीज? Control A, toggle field code, remove it. Do we all get this? ठीक है? Second, applicants over 25 years old on the 1st of September 2010 are entitled to a mature student support grant towards the cost of their textbooks. So those who are over 25 on this particular date are applicable for a discount, a grant. Okay? Use the books grant.rtf to send a letter to all the students that qualify for the grant and have not yet paid. Not only they should follow, or let's say fall into the criteria. The criteria is what? The criteria is that they should be 25 years old, over 25 years old on this particular date. They actually qualify. And also they have not paid as yet. अगर कोई बच्चा है जो 25 years old above है लेकिन उसने पे कर चुका है तो उसको तो ग्रांट नहीं मिल रही. ग्रांट किसको मिल रही है? जिसने पे नहीं किया हुआ अभी तक और उसकी एज भी 25 से ऊपर है. ठीक. Include in your evidence document your selection methods in your evidence document. The grant is dependent upon the option module chosen and is a discount of 30% for the technical support module, which is IDET SOPT 1 and 15% for all other option modules. ये भी एक है कि अगर वो बच्चे आप निकाल लेते हो जो 25 एंड अबव है, उन्होंने पे भी नहीं किया हुआ, उनको ग्रांट तो अप्लाई होती है, लेकिन कितनी ग्रांट अप्लाई होती है? अगर उनका ऑप्शन मॉड्यूल IDTS OPT 1 है तो उनको 30% मिलेगा, और अगर उनका ऑप्शन मॉड्यूल कोई और है तो उनको 15% मिलेगा। ये भी एक कंडीशन। ठीक। इंसर्ट अ कंडीशनल फील्ड टू इन्फॉर्म स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ देयर डिस्काउंट एंटाइटलमेंट, मतलब लेटर में कहीं ना कहीं आप वो डिस्काउंट भी मेंशन कर रहे होगे। नाउ वी लुक एट द लेटर in a moment. Print a copy of the main document showing the field codes. Save the document as print grants in a format that preserves the field codes. Merge the letters to print to the printer. So let's open up the grant. This is our document. It needs the supporting file or the source file. So we go to mailings, we click on select recipients, use an existing list, and we select our document, which is students. Attached. Now let's fill up the requirement of the. So this needs to be double D, double M, double Y. We need to insert the date. We click here, we go to insert, go to quick parts, click on field. We find date in the category, and then double D, double M, and double Y, which is this. Click on OK. Remove the remaining text. Done. Insert student's address here, one field per line. Okay. So we go to mailings, insert merge field. We have address. Go to the next line. We need address 2. Next line, address 3. Next line, address 4. Do we have any other thing? No. So this needs to be added, and we will remove this text. Insert the title and the surname here. So we click here, insert merge field, title space surname. Added both the fields, and we are going to remove the text. Moving on, we need to have the option module here. So insert merge field, option module, qualifies you for what? How much discount? The percentage. We know that the students who are from the technical support module will get 30%. Otherwise, it will get 15%. So we are to show the percentage discount over here. For that, we are going to apply a rule. So we click on rules. First of all, select where you want to apply the rule, which is at this point. We go to rules. We click on if then else. Under the field name, we are going to check option module, which is equals to. Let's check the option module. IDTS OPT 1. So IDTS OPT 1. If that is the course, it will get how much? 30%. Otherwise, it gets 15%. Click on OK. And remove the text which is not required. Please provide proof of your date of birth so that we may process the award. You are to insert your name, center number, candidate number here. So center name, center number, and candidate number. Done. Now what's left? Look at the edit recipient list. These are the total number of students present in our supporting file. What are the two criteria? Over 25 on 1st of September 2010, I think. ठीक है ना? And not paid. हमारे पास देखो डेट ऑफ बर्थ गिवन है, हर एक की गिवन है. I'll go to my filter, select the field as your date of birth equals to no 25 and above. If someone is 25 and above on the 1st of September 2010, तो एग्जैक्ट 25 years कब बनेंगे? 85. What date? September 1st September 1985. That will be exact 25. And he should be over 25. Over 25 का मतलब है एक दिन भी पहले हो गया तो over 25 हो गया. So I would say comparison less than 01/09/1985. And the paid should be what? It's blank. So it should not be equals to blank. You have an option which is blank. Got it? We click on OK. So there are two people who have not paid and their age is more than 25 years old. Also, one of them is IDTS OPT1. That means that this student will get how much discount? And this student 15. So we just click on OK. This is our master document which is ready. We can save the master document as a Word document file. And also finish and merge, edit individual documents, click on all and OK. 2 letters generated. Look at the discount, 15%. Look at the discount, 30%. This is IDTS OPT1 and this is the other option one. Okay? So this was the solution to your exercise mail merge task 12.